She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've done a custom color hair blend request, so I'm gonna get into it. And this blend request is coming from Taylor Simone, who wanted to see a Neapolitan ice cream blend and asked to blend the colors brown, blonde, and pink. For the brown, I went with the color 27. I'm going to talk about that here soon. For the blonde, I went with the color 613 and then neon pink because that is what I had. Now, for that brown, I feel like I could have went with the color 4 for a more darker color, but I just thought that the blend would look better with the color 27. I like that 27 and 613 together, but you guys can definitely use the color 4 to really give it that Neapolitan vibe or look. I mean, I can definitely do this again if you guys wanted me to and substitute that 27 for the actual color 4. I think the next shade brown is the color 30, but you know, 30 has that tint of like red that I don't think would go for this look. At least for the colors that I have, the color 4 would be the next one for brown that I would use. So if you guys want me to do this again, let me know. I'd be happy to, and then we can see which blend would be better for the name Neapolitan. So let me know what you guys think. I think this is one of the blends where you don't want to overdo it. You don't want to over blend it because you want each of these colors to show through. And I think I did okay. I think I overdid it just a little bit, just a tad bit, but it still came out pretty good. I just felt like that color 613, I wanted it to show a little more than what it was showing at the end. I think I could have stopped maybe a little sooner, but again, I think it still came out good. But I'll let you guys let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you have a blend request, also leave it down in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. I'm going to show you guys what this blend looks like braided, so be sure to stick around for that. And I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys.